Hello and welcome, my name is Asaf and this is Mastering Rhythm with Konnakol. In this clip I would like to return to the idea of adaptive rhythm presented in previous videos, and also to explore another rhythmic aspect which I call one. One is simply the feeling of the first beat in any beat cycle. For the purpose of this exercise, I've chosen the 5-beat cycle, and let's recap how to clap that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, gap, wave, wave, gap. Clap, gap, wave, wave, gap. Now we're going to assign syllables that will correspond to the beat cycle. Taka plus takita. 2 plus 3. Like this. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. And this is the basic format of this exercise. Now you might remember from previous clips the exercise which we call the 3 speeds composition in 5-beat cycle, which went like this. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, 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 ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. In the 3 speeds composition, we start by saying taka takita, quarter notes, and then taka takita in 8th note, and then taka takita in 16th notes. So we keep going up the subdivision ladder. In the new composition that I'm going to show you today, we're going to do the reverse. So the first speed we had is 1 syllable per beat, or you can say in quarter notes. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. So let's call this speed 1 syllable per beat. Now what we're going to do is half the time of the syllables, making each syllable into 1 syllable per 2 beats, or you can say half note, and it will sound like this. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. And as always, in order to break this down, let's look at the junction points. Okay, so we know that the syllable ta, the first syllable, meets the first beat. Ta. Very simple. And the second, let's look at the second syllable, ta, ka. So the ka, which is the second syllable of the 2, meets that first wave, which will be the 3rd beat. Let's move on. Ta, ka, ta. And the first syllable of the 3, the ta, will fall on the 5th beat. Now the 5th beat has no clapping because of the gaps in the clapping. So we have a placement here. Okay? Ta, ka, ta. Okay, let's move forward. Ta, ka, ta, ki. Okay, we see that the syllable ki, which is the second syllable of the 3, also will meet a gap, which is the 2nd beat. And let's move forward. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. And the last syllable, which also is the 3rd in the takita, will meet the 2nd wave, which is the fourth beat. Let's do this once more, keeping in mind the junction points and the placements. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Now the next thing we want to do is to sing both speeds back to back, like this. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, 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 ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Now let's focus on the second speed, or that half-time taka takita. Now you might have found that when you do the taka takita in half-time, your rhythmic awareness changes or modifies to 5/2. Now we know that the beat cycle here is 5 beats, 5-beat cycle, or you can say 5/4. But I want you to pay attention to the way that your mind is perceiving the rhythm while you are saying taka takita in half-time. Let's do this once more. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Now the question is, are you perceiving this rhythm as 5/4 or 5-beat cycle, or are you perceiving this rhythm as 5/2, so a longer beat cycle? In other words, are you shifting your awareness from 5/4 to 5/2 while doing this variation? Now this question might be a little bit difficult to answer right now, but there is a way where you can determine how you're feeling this variation. If you are feeling each one of those syllables as a downbeat, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, like this, down, 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 then what it means that you are feeling this variation as a 5/2. So basically you have made a compensation in your head in order to accommodate this complicated rhythm. If some of those syllables in the taka takita feels as a downbeat, but some of those feel like an upbeat, then it means that you are closer to feeling the whole exercise in 5/4. Now let's take a closer look at this and break it down. The first two syllables, ta and ka, will feel like a downbeat. Ta, ka. Okay? Ta, ka. The next syllable, which is ta, the first of the three, will feel like an upbeat, and the reason for that is that it's located on the 5th beat. So it's located just before a major beat. So it will be an upbeat. Ta, ka, ta. Ta, ka, ta, 1. Ta, ka, ta. And the next syllable, ki, will also be an upbeat because it falls on the 2nd beat, right after beat 1. Ta, ka, ta, ki. The last syllable, which is ta, will also be an upbeat. And the reason for that is because the 5-beat cycle, the way it's divided here, is divided into 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you notice that we have 2 main beats, the first beat and the 3rd beat. Now the last syllable, the syllable ta, will fall on the second beat after the second main beat. 1, 2, 1, ta. 1, 2, 1, ta. So we have also a feeling of an upbeat there. So the whole thing once more. Ta, ka, ta, 1, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, 1, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. See if you can shift your awareness between those downbeats and upbeats. And this is what I call adaptive rhythm. We are adapting the rhythm that we hear into a format of 5/4. One rhythm can be written and felt in different ways, although it will sound the same. Okay, and that is the secret of adaptive rhythm. Developing adaptive rhythm is of key importance to our rhythmic understanding, and it applies very much to our work as Western musicians, and generally helps us to understand and function in a band situation as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next clip. Thank you so much.